and welcome to a tutorial about Slip Slip Knit Together, also known as an SSK from Imagine Landscapes Designs. So an SSK is a decrease that we do in knitting, and the reason we would do it rather than a knit two together is while the knit two together leans to the right, the SSK will lean to the left. So luckily the maneuver is in its name, so slip. So we put our needle in as though we were to knit, slip. Then we do the same thing, we slip again, so that's where the slip slip comes in. And both times we're putting our needle in as though we were going to slip. This is called slipping knitwise. Then we need to knit them together. And so what you do is you take your left needle tip, you place it back through both stitches, and you put it in front of the right needle. Grab the yarn, pull through, and where we once had 2 stitches, we have 1. Let me show you that again. I'll knit across a little bit. So, slip as if to knit, slip as if to knit, replace the left needle through both, grab the yarn, loop over and bring it through. It's subtle, but you can see how there's a slight left lean here in what's going on. The knit two together is famous in knitting for being beautifully smooth and really lining up a beautiful line. And if you're struggling with your SSKs not lying as flat as you'd like, some people have a lot of success with what's called a modified SSK, and I'll show you that now. So to do a modified SSK, you slip the first one knitwise, but you slip the second one purlwise. Slipping purlwise just means putting your needle through the loop as though you were about to purl it. Keep the yarn in the back though, just slip it purlwise. You can put that left needle through, grab the loop through and knit just as before. And for some people, or depending on the twist of your yarn, you will find it lays slightly flatter than the typical SSK. Hope this helps.